Thank you for purchasing your spa from Complete Spas. This is just a quick instructional video to show you the different settings and modes on your top side for your Gecko pack, which is normally fitted on a Garden Spas range and South Seas range. So if I press and hold the light button down for 5 seconds, you should see that the time starts flashing. Okay, so at the moment it's 13:08, which is actually the correct time. But if you want to alter this, you then just use the keys, the up and down keys, and it's a 24-hour clock, so you can move it to what you want. If I then press the lights button again, it moves on to the minutes, and again I can raise and lower that to what we want. Now if I press the lights button again, we then go on to the filtration settings. The FS on here tells you when you want the filtration to start. So in this case we want it to start at 8 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to press the button until it goes to 8. There is no minutes on this, it's just hours. So if I then press the lights button again, it says the filtration duration, and that's how long you want the filtration to go. As you can see, it's set for 2 at the moment, so that's 2 hours. You can raise it up and down, but we're going to leave it on 2. So at 8 o'clock in the morning, the filtration is going to start and run for 2 hours. If I press the button again, you can see FF, and that stands for filtration frequency, and that's set at 2 at the moment, so that's going to come on twice a day. You can set that up to 4 times a day, or you can set it for once a day. We're going to leave it on 2. So what that means is that the filtration will come on at 8 o'clock in the morning and run for 2 hours, and then it will come on at 8 o'clock in the evening and run for 2 hours. The next one is your eco mode. So when it's on 0, eco isn't enabled, and what the eco mode means is that it will run the temperature at 11 degrees Celsius below the set point temperature. So if the set point is at 38, then the temperature will only heat up to 27 degrees at certain times of the day, and that can be set. So if I go back into the manual, press and hold for 5 seconds, okay, we don't want the time, so we've done the filtration settings. If I want to enable the eco mode, I just press the up button and it comes to 1. It's either on or off, so it would be on to 1. If I then press it again, you've got the eco start. So if you didn't want the spa to come on during the day, then you could then set that to the hour that you want it not to come on for. So at 10 o'clock in the morning, the eco would kick in and the spa wouldn't heat up. But we're going to set that back down to 0. And again, just like the filtration, you go on to ED and you can set that to do that set at 6 times, 7 times, twice a day, however long you want it to do. So if you've got multiple cheap energy, you can set it for that. You can also set whether you want it on centigrade or Fahrenheit, by again just pressing the up and down button, and then scroll it on and it goes back to your set point.